National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Calvert County in southern Maryland until 11:45 p.m. At 11:23 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Breezy Point, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Chesapeake Beach, Prince Frederick, Breezy Point, Dunkirk, Huntingtown, Owings, Barstow, Mount Harmony, Sunderland, and Dares Beach. A tornado watch remains in effect until midnight for central and southern Maryland. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A severe